Permission of Senator Cayetano and Secretary Bonoan, the chair would like to preside over such a meeting and understanding with respect to the technicals and the specifics of the project.
Thank you.
Senator Cayetano.
Yeah, I'd like to thank you, Mr. President. Pahabain na natin mula tagig pa, buti na natin ang Sursogon kung ikaw ang magpre-preside. I'm trying to make it light because I'd like to apologize to the DPWH family. I'm sorry if I'm emotional because this really affects lives. And may I just emphasize, Secretary, that we've asked this 1,000 times from the time we were congressmen to here. You've heard this since you were a junior officer in DPWH. Consultation means not only a dialogue or a meeting. It also doesn't mean that pag hindi pumayag, hindi matutuloy. But ibig sabihin, kunin niyo yung sagot. Kung ayaw, bakit? Then if the President overrules or you overrule, then we have a... Pag sinabing okay,